Dear friends, today we'll learn about how to create Google Classroom. For creating Google Classroom, first of all, open your Gmail account. In your Gmail account, there are apps. Once you click on these apps, so there are a lot of apps which are available. From this, what you have to do, you have to go to Classrooms. So this option you can click. Once you click this option, a page will open where if there are any previous classrooms which you have made, they will be shown. For example, there is one classroom which is already created. To create a new classroom, what you will do is click on this plus sign. It will ask two options, join class or create class. You are a teacher, you want to create a class, so you create a class. Click on continue. It will ask the class name required. So the class name is, let's say you want to start a financial derivatives class of MBA Financial Analysis. Third semester. Section is MBA FA third semester. Financial derivatives is the course. If you want to assign some rule number, you can assign. You can create a class. So this is how your class will be created. You can select a theme, upload a photo, update a theme. Now this class code which is available here, you can show this class code to your students and they can join by typing by opening Google Classroom, and on the plus sign they will click on join a class and they will write this code. As soon as they will write this code, the class will be created, or you can send an invite. For example, if you want to send an invite, copy invitation link, you can go to your email ID and you can create a mail where you will send this Google Classroom link. Which you can send it to your students. After this, what you do, you can create here something which you want to write something. In people, if you go, you will create a list of students. For example, you can send the invite to the students from here. For example, we want to invite the student. So it will go to the invite link. Then, or you want to invite another student. The invite will be sent. So like this, or you can, through that link form, you can create the link. Now on the main page, you see this gear settings. You go to the settings. Now manage invitation code. You have enabled this code so that anybody who wants to join can join. Now in the stream, do you want students to post something, or you want that students can only comment? So if you want to enable that students can only comment, so you can click on that. Classwork on the stream. So you want to see the condensed notifications, or you want to hide the notification. For example, if you want that the students, whatever they are posting, should not be reflected anywhere, so you can hide it. Now save the settings. So here you can write, welcome students. So this message will be posted to all the students who have joined this. creating classwork, you need to first create, let's say in your syllabus you have various topics. So week wise you can define the topics, or you can define weeks, you can define name of the topics from the syllabus. For example, if I define, so first topic is Introduction to Financial Derivatives. So it will be added. Now I want to create another topic. So type. So I want to give week 2. In week 2 I will discuss about types of derivatives. Let's see. So I add another main topic, type of derivative. We want to move it down, because first week you want to discuss Introduction to Financial Derivatives, second week you want to discuss about types of derivatives. So you can allow that. Then you want to create another topic. So let's say third week we want to discuss about forward contracts. You can drag and drop it at the third place, or it can be, if you want to do it week wise. Then fourth topic can be, let's say on the fourth week we'll discuss about futures contract. So fourth week will be added. If you want to keep it here, you can rename it, you can delete, copy link, you can move it down. It will get one step down, or if you want to take it to the fourth place, you can drag and drop. That is also possible. Now students can only see these topics with published posts. Now let's say for this week, I want to post a lesson. So right now it says that no lessons are posted yet. Now I want to create a post. Let's say I want to create material for this lecture. So introduction, the topic is Introduction to Capital Markets and Derivatives Market. So this topic covers first unit of the syllabus. So I can define the date. So date is 24/8/2020. Learning outcomes. Stock market basics. To understand basics of capital market. To understand basics of derivatives market. So let's say you have defined the learning outcomes. Now we want to upload a file. So there are various options. We can link something from the Google Drive. You can create a link, we can upload a file, or you can create a YouTube. So let's say from YouTube we want to post something. So let me just search that link from the YouTube. So I have my own lectures uploaded on YouTube, and I would like to, let's say, my students to go through one of the lectures. So, okay, so this is the link. I want the students to go through this. So I create a YouTube link here. So I post it in the search box. It will go to that lecture. I select it and I add it. So this lecture material has been added. Another YouTube lecture I want to upload, let's say. So I want to upload another lecture of mine, or you can upload any other lecture which you find is relevant for your students. It can be uploaded. And so these are 2 lectures. Then I want to create a link. So let's say I want to post a link of NSC website for the students, nscindia.com. So in this I want them to go through about derivatives market. So let's say I want to create this link. So I am posting this. So now in week 1, and this has come above. Now I have to post it to the relevant field. Let's say now I have posted it here, Introduction to Financial Derivatives, and this material has been posted. So like this we can post it for other places. If let's say you want to create a assignment for, let's say, attendance, for marking attendance. So the question is attendance. Now what you can do is you can create a multiple choice, and in this you can ask, I am present. So okay, please mark your attendance. Now in this option I am writing, I am present and learning. Now how much marks I want to give? I want to give 1 point for this. Is there any due date? Yes, there is a due date. So today only the option should be available till 12:55 p.m. So this link should be open to them till then. Any topic, let's create a new topic called attendance. So this has been created. Now let's schedule it. We can schedule it for today itself. It must be scheduled for the future. Okay, let's say we schedule it for 12:30. Schedule. So 12:30 this attendance will be available for the students to be